I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in n8n using the current interface. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that reads a file from your computer and uploads it to a destination like Google Drive, Dropbox, or an FTP server. First, open your n8n dashboard. From there, go to Personal, then Chat, and select Try Claude. This gets you into the current interface so you can access the workflow builder. Next, click Create Workflow to start a fresh canvas where we'll assemble everything. On the empty canvas, add a manual trigger. This node lets you run the workflow on demand without needing any external event. It's perfect for testing and for one-off uploads. Now add a Read Binary File node. This node reads a local file from your machine as binary data, which is exactly what most upload services expect. In the File Path field, enter the full path to the file you want to upload. Use an absolute path for reliability. For example, on Mac OS or Linux, it might look like /users/your-folder/your-file, and on Windows, something like C:\/your-folder/your-file. Make sure the file exists and that your n8n instance has permission to read it. Click Execute Node on Read Binary File. This is your quick validation step. If it succeeds, you'll see the binary data available in the output. If you run into an error, double-check the path, spelling, and permissions, then try again. Next, add your upload node. Choose the provider you plan to use, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or FTP. The exact fields vary by service, but they all accept binary input and a file name. Connect binary data from Read Binary File to Upload node, so the Upload node receives the file content directly. Then fill in the destination folder or path and the file name you want to use. If the node asks for credentials, select your saved credentials for that service. If this is your first time, ensure you've set them up in n8n and tested the connection so the upload can authenticate successfully. When everything looks good, click Execute Workflow. You should see the upload node run and return a success message, often with